Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be announcing the winner of the Clever Fox planner for my YouTube channel giveaway. And if you also entered on my Instagram account, which I will link below if you have, or if you haven't followed me yet, you might want to do so as well. Check your name there as well, because you may have won. If you didn't win here, you might have won there. So thanks so much to Clever Fox for hosting this giveaway for me. I am loving my planner. I can't wait to show you guys what I've been doing with it, and just some ideas that I have for planning as well. And anyways, just a quick video to say thank you so much to my subscribers. I really appreciate you. A lot of you leave comments after my videos, and I read every comment, so I get familiar with names, and I also get familiar with those of you that do watch my videos right away. I like to do my giveaways primarily for my subscribers, of course, and I have been doing giveaways in the last few months. So stay tuned for the video coming up. There's another video coming this month again, another giveaway video, I should say. And again, it's to thank my subscribers, those of you that interact with me, connect with me, those of you that have sent me mail. I appreciate it. I will be writing back to each and every one of you. Yeah, I'm really grateful. I'm so happy to be able to also share with you guys products that I'm receiving that you might be interested in as well, and this one happened to be one of them. I am so happy with this planner. I've got videos coming up showing you just lots more goodies and things that I'll be doing. But let me just get to the YouTube winner for the Clever Fox planner. Now, they will be in contact with you. I will send them your information. But please message me first to let me know that you have seen the video and you are the winner. So the winner for this one is House of Crafts by Maria. So congratulations. Please message me. I'll leave the email below. If I haven't heard from you in 3 days from this video airing, I will draw another winner. So congratulations again, House of Crafts by Maria. And again, as I mentioned, if you entered through Instagram, because I had a giveaway on YouTube, I had a giveaway on Instagram, check there and you might be a winner for that one. Thanks so much, everybody. I appreciate your support, and I'll be back very soon with another giveaway video and more stuff to share on my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by.